For learning task 1, determine if the pattern illustrates geometric sequence or not. So dito ang gagawin sa learning task 1, kailangan nyong ma-identify kung ang given ay geometric sequence or not. So I'll give you an example for the learning task 1. So ito yung example. Determine if the pattern illustrates geometric sequence or not. So for number 1, we have 6, 18, 54, 162. So para malaman natin if this sequence is a geometric sequence or not, we have to determine if meron siyang common ratio. So kukunin natin ang common ratio nung number 1. So paano natin kukunin ang common ratio na R? That is by dividing the next term from the previous term. So the next term is 18, the previous term is 6. 18 divided by 6. And what is 18 divided by 6? 18 divided by 6 is 3. So dapat the ratio between each term is 3 para masabi natin na may common ratio siya. Next, 54 divided by 18. Ito, 54 divided by 18. And what is 54 divided by 18? 54 divided by 18 is also 3. And then the last one, so dapat ito maging 3 din. 162 divided by 54. So pag dinivide nyo siya, pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator. 162 divided by 54 is also 3. So since pare-parehong 3, yung ratio niya, meron siyang common ratio na 3. So therefore, it is a geometric sequence. Okay? Next, let's have another example. So we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So let us determine kung meron siyang common ratio. So we divide the second term and the first term. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. So dapat pag dinivide natin yung next term sa previous term, 1 dapat yung makukuha natin. So third term, 2 divided by the previous term 1. What is 2 divided by 1? 2 divided by 1 is 2. So, dito pa lang sa ratio between the second and the first term, the third and the second term, magkaiba na agad, 1 and 2. So, therefore, it is not a geometric sequence. Hindi siya geometric sequence kasi magkaiba na agad yung kanyang ratio. It has no common ratio. So, ganun yung gagawin nyo sa learning task number 1. You have to determine if it is a geometric sequence by determining kung meron siyang common ratio na R. Number 1 is a geometric sequence because it has a common ratio R. Common ratio na 3. Number 2 is not a geometric sequence kasi wala siyang common ratio. Doon pa lang sa second and first term, third and second term, magkaiba na agad yung ratio niya. So therefore, it is not a geometric sequence. Kung nahihirapan kayong mag-divide, you may use a calculator. Make sure lang na tama yung inyong pipindutin para tama rin yung sagot ninyo. Pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator. So yun ang gagawin nyo sa learning task number 1.